Hello there. I'm Marie from the State Library of Queensland, and thank you for joining me today for story time. Firstly, I'd like to acknowledge the traditional owners of the land on where we are and where you are too. Here is the land, and here is the sky. Here are our friends, and here am I. Thank you. So, I've got a beautiful story to share with you today. It's part of the First Five Forever Stories for Little Queenslanders. And it's called Up and Down on a Rainy Day. And it's written by Catherine Appel and illustrated by Janet Turner. So, for this book, there's lots of descriptive words to describe going up and going down all on a rainy day. And I've got my friend Froggy here to help tell the stories. Now, it might be a really lovely idea to incorporate a little toy for your little ones, maybe for yourself to describe the actions, or for your little ones to actually join in with the actions with their little toy as well. So, and you know what? Froggy, he loves rainy days just like me. So, let's have a read. Up and down on a rainy day. And look, we've got a little puppy having so much fun in the rain, isn't he? Do you like going out in the rain? Splashing in the mud. Sun up, rain down. And it looks like they live on a farm, this beautiful young family, with all these little animals that you can spot all around the page. Wake up. You wake up. Wake up, little stretch. And jump down. Maybe we can use Froggy to jump down. Jump down. Yeah? We're getting ready to start the day, I think. Button up and stomp down. Stomp, 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 stomp. Mum's even got an umbrella. I think it's about to rain. Climb up, and swing down. Shall we make Froggy swing down? And skip up and plod down. So lots of descriptive words. Got a whole family of beautiful cows there enjoying the rain as well. Slip up and whoosh, slide down. Wow, even little puppy is getting in on the action. Scoop up. Can you pretend to scoop up maybe little tadpoles? Paddle down. Tails up and heads down. Rump up and shake down. I was giving a good old shake. Can you little shake maybe? Give Froggy a little shake. Shake, 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 shake. Splashing everyone. Mix up. Shall we start mixing? Mix, mix. And pat down. Oh, and you know what? It looks like someone's making mud pies. Sneak up. Uh-oh. Splash. Showdown. Whole family is playing, throwing mud at each other. They all seem to be having fun though. Wrap up and drip down. Stretch up and crouch down. I think it's the end of the day. They're going back home to have a bath. Soap up and towel down. Tidy up and snuggle down, including little puppy there. It's ready for bed. And you know what? Look, they're reading a book as well, just like us. Moon up and rain down. Started to rain again. And that is the end of the story. Up and down on a rainy day. It's always really lovely to use a prop, like a little toy, one of your little ones' toys, to show and do all the actions and make word associations so that they learn the story and the words a little bit better. It always helps to incorporate actions in your stories. So, again, thank you for joining me for story time, and take care and see you again soon.